Ready to turn the stability of stablecoins into a profitable advantage? In this video, we're unveiling 5 savvy strategies to supercharge your earnings in the highly volatile crypto market using stablecoins like Tether, USDC, DAI, and the newly launched AEUR, anchored EUR. Number 1. Staking. DeFi platforms, crypto wallets, and centralized exchanges like Binance, BitGet, and Bybit allow their users to stake stablecoins to support various functions, for example, liquidity provision. In return, stakers earn rewards in form of additional stablecoins or other cryptocurrencies. Since stablecoins are less volatile compared to traditional cryptocurrencies, platforms often offer high staking APY ranging from anywhere between 10% to 22% APY on average. One of the key reasons staking made it to our top 5 ways to make money from stablecoins is its combination of relative safety and attractive returns. Additionally, staking approach not only allows investors to earn passive income, but also contributes to blockchain ecosystem growth. It is also worth noting that annual percentage yield with staking is significantly high compared to traditional banking products, making it an attractive choice. 2. Arbitrage trading. Given the price stability of stablecoins, they are ideal for arbitrage trading. For those of you who may not be aware of what arbitrage trading is, it refers to trading strategy where investors take advantage of price differences for same asset on different exchanges. Traders can buy a stablecoin on one exchange where price is slightly lower and sell it on another exchange where price is high, profiting from difference. 3. Participating in liquidity pools. In decentralized finance ecosystem, liquidity pools are used to facilitate trading by providing liquidity to exchange pairs. By contributing stablecoins to these pools, you can earn a portion of trading fees generated from transactions and pool rewards, much similar to how Bitcoin mining works, but here instead of computing power, your contribution is in form of stablecoin capital. This method is also known as liquidity mining, allowing investors to earn passive income proportional to the amount of liquidity they provided. Number 4. Lending to margin traders. Some crypto platforms allow you to lend your stablecoins to margin traders. These traders usually borrow funds to amplify their trading positions, and in return, lenders earn interest on loans. This method can be quite profitable, especially in times of high volatility, as margin traders are willing to pay higher interest rates for the sake of saving their position from liquidation. Number 5. Trading stablecoins with cryptocurrencies. By trading your stablecoins with cryptocurrencies and then capitalizing on market fluctuations, you can potentially earn profits from price differences. This strategy involves exchanging stablecoins with more volatile cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and Solana when prices are low, and then trading back to stablecoins when their value rises. Remember, the key to success in trading lies in understanding market trends. As we navigate the potential of stablecoins, consider this. In a market known for its volatility, could these digital anchors redefine how we perceive stability and profitability? How might your financial journey transform by strategically utilizing stablecoins in a landscape driven by innovation and market dynamics? Share your thoughts in the comments below and join the conversation. Remember, the key to success in trading lies in understanding market trends.